What if I told you that one machine could replace an entire room full of workers and knit hundreds of socks a day without getting tired? If you're curious about how modern sock factories achieve this level of efficiency, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through 6 powerful automatic sock knitting machines, comparing their capacity, origin, and real-world performance to help you choose the right one for your production goals. Starting strong with our first pick, the high-speed sock knitting machine from Weihuan, hailing from Zhejiang, China. This one's built for efficiency, cranking out 200 to 300 pairs of socks in a single day. That's enough to stock a small boutique overnight. Imagine waking up to a pile of fresh socks ready to ship. Key features include automatic operation for the whole production line, so no manual fussing. It runs on single-phase AC 220 volts at 50 Hz, making it plug-and-play for most home setups. Dimensions are compact at 1.5 meters long, 1 meter wide, and 2.2 meters tall. It'll fit in a garage without dominating the space. Core components like the PLC, engine, bearing, and motor ensure reliability, and you get a 1-year warranty with test reports and video inspections included. Price-wise, it's around $12,000 to $13,000 per unit, depending on quantity, which is a solid investment for starters. What I love is the customization options. Tweak the logo or graphics to match your brand. If you're just dipping your toes into sock production, this machine's speed and ease could be your gateway. Have you ever dreamed of custom sock designs? This one makes it happen. But if you're looking for something with a bit more color flair or different specs, don't worry. Our next machine might be the one. Moving on to the full automatic socks machine by Bisland. This brand focuses on high-volume manufacturing, with a supply capacity of up to 1,000 sets per month. Perfect if you're scaling a factory. For sock output, it's designed for efficient knitting, though specific daily pairs aren't detailed in the listing I checked. But based on similar models, expect robust performance. It's fully automatic, handling sock knitting from start to finish with computerized controls for precision. Power and dimensions aren't specified here, but it's built for industrial use, so plan for a sturdy setup. Unique perk. It's geared toward bulk production, making it ideal for businesses aiming big. Pricing wasn't available in my review, but Alibaba often has negotiable deals. If you're thinking long-term, like supplying stores or online shops, Bisland's reliability could connect with your ambitions. Picture expanding from a home operation to a full team. This machine grows with you. Speaking of growth, let's check out a machine that's all about uniformity and speed. Next up, the fully automatic double-cylinder school uniform socks knitting machine from Aerostar, made in China. This one's a powerhouse for consistent output, producing up to 360 pairs per day. Great for steady, reliable production like school uniforms or basic styles. The double-cylinder design allows for versatile knitting, handling plain socks with ease. It's computerized for accuracy, reducing errors and waste. While exact dimensions and power aren't listed, it's motorized and fully automatic, so expect standard industrial voltage, like 220 volts. A standout feature is its focus on hosiery and uniform socks, making it perfect for niche markets. No reviews yet, but the brand's emphasis on quality suggests it's built to last. If you're targeting specific styles, like kids or athletic socks, this could be your story maker. Imagine outfitting a whole school with your creations. Now, if high-quality mini production lines excite you, our fourth option is calling. Enter the Tongda TD8 D616A, high-quality mini sock production line. This machine matches Aerostar's pace with 360 pairs per day, but adds flair with color options. One main color, plus 5 auxiliary per line for vibrant designs. Running at 260 to 320 RPM, it's speedy and efficient. The 3.75-inch cylinder is ideal for standard sock sizes, and it uses 1,100 watts power with flexible voltage, 220 volts or 380 volts at 50 Hz. Weighing in at 300 kilograms net, with dimensions of 500 by 100 by 80 centimeters when packed, it's manageable for small spaces. Core components include PLC, motor, and gear, backed by a 1-year warranty, free parts, and online support. Price starts around $13,600 for one unit, converted from UAH, dropping for bulk. Unique selling point? It's a new 2022 model with video inspections and test reports. For creative folks, this one's storytelling gold. Design patterned socks for holidays or teams and watch your audience connect. But wait, if sweaters sneak into your knitting dreams? Wait, no, we're on socks, but this next one has high capacity anyway. Shifting gears to the How UA computerized flat knitting machine. Okay, full disclosure, this listing leans toward sweaters, but it's adaptable for sock-like flat knits with impressive capacity of 470 pairs per day if tuned right. Brand How UA brings automation to the table, with computerized controls for intricate patterns. Power and size details are light, but it's designed for high output in manufacturing plants. If you're versatile and want a machine that could handle more than just socks, this might inspire your next project. Think blending sock production with apparel. Your brand could tell a bigger story. No specific price here, but expect competitive Alibaba rates. For innovators, this one's a wild card. Finally, let's wrap up with a Terry sock specialist that brings comfort to the forefront. Last but not least, the Lonati Automatic Computer Terry Socks Knitting Machine by Rainbow. This gem produces 250 to 400 pairs in 24 hours, specializing in comfy terry socks, those plush ones perfect for lounging. Fully computerized for precision, it's great for adding textures like loops inside. While specs like dimensions are sparse, it's automatic with a focus on quality output. Price around the mid-range for similar models, and with 3 sold already, it's gaining traction. If your audience craves comfort, this machine helps you connect on a cozy level. Story time. Envision custom terry socks for athletes or winter lines. Whew, we've covered a lot, from the efficient Wei Huan to the colorful Tongda and beyond. Each machine has its strengths, whether it's speed, versatility, or niche appeal. Remember, the best one depends on your space, budget, and goals. Starting small? Go Wei Huan. Want patterns? Tongda's your pick. Whichever you choose, these automatic wonders can turn your passion into profit. Thanks for watching. If this sparked ideas, drop a like and share your sock stories below. If you enjoyed this, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell for more tech reviews, and comment, which machine would you buy? Links in the description. See you next time.